take a seat. We're doing a show. Oh shit, hi, welcome to Ginger's Bar and Grill. Well, minus the grill. Hope you all are enjoying the drink videos. Tonight, I'm bringing to you another one here. Let me know in the comments how you, shit. Can you stop that, please? Oh, okay. Gotta love my camera guy here. Let me know what you think about my drink videos, and if there's any drinks you want to see me do. Tonight, we're gonna be doing everybody's favorite Starburst, pink Starburst drink. This one, you have to do a little bit of prepping for. You have to throw either vodka or rum. You need to put 8 Starburst in overnight for about 24 hours so it dissolves into the alcohol. You want to stir it occasionally so it gets the clumpies mixed in, whatever. So what you're gonna need are Starburst, vodka or rum. This one I used Absolute Vodka. Need OJ, Sprite, and some strawberry kiwi, and I had to go with Capri Sun because that's the only thing I could find. All right, so we're gonna start off. I already measured out 2 ounces of our pink Starburst vodka here. So we throw some ice in the cup. Pour that over the ice. And next we need, what is it here? 2 ounces of OJ. It's really cold. I'm just gonna use my little, can't talk while I'm pouring. Smells really good. Okay, and then 2 ounces of our strawberry kiwi Capri Sun, because that's how we're rolling, like a 10-year-old that can drink. I guess it depends on what state you're in. Oops. Okay. Fruity. Then you need about 4 ounces of Sprite. I'm not gonna measure that out, I'm just gonna top it off here. Well, not top it off, but looks good enough for me. Try to get the lid back on. A little stir. Cheers. Oh, if you like pink Starburst, I highly recommend this drink because that is amazeballs. All right, guys. Till next time, don't stay sober.